This is a 6-pack of MERV11 air filters, size 16 by 16 by 1. I was sent these to review for free. If you wanted to purchase them, the pack would cost you $45. They haven't paid me for my review, so my opinions remain my own. So in the pack you get a couple of little cards here, you get the description there, and then you have these filters. So they have a wire mesh on one side and the filter material in here. And these are MERV11. They sell filters with different MERV ratings, so these particular ones are MERV11. So this here is a MERV8 filter, and this is the MERV11 filter. And you can see that this one is just a little more transparent. Air will flow through this one a little bit easier, and this guy here will trap slightly smaller dust particles. So that's the filter I took out. You can see it definitely needed changing. The filter I put in fit perfectly. This little metal grid goes up so it resists the flow of air. Fit really well. I think it's going to do a good job filtering.